Hi, this is Marina from Health Glows, a certified raw vegan diet and healthy lifestyle coach. It is my pleasure to host you today in my kitchen. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that I've been on a vegan diet since 2005 and on a low-fat raw vegan diet since 2012, which means that my diet consists of fresh fruits and vegetables with small amounts of nuts and seeds. And my kitchen is in accordance with my diet. As you can see around, there is no cooker nor any appliance for cooking food in my kitchen. An interesting story. This kitchen of mine was built by a very talented carpenter with more than 40 years of experience in creating kitchens. But when he heard my vision, a kitchen without a cooker, he was just confused and he was staring at me confused while I was enthusiastically, with a big smile on my face, describing my vision, a kitchen without a cooker. And then he told me that in 40 years of working experience in creating kitchens, that was his first time to hear something like that. I do understand that in this 2021 and in this phase of collective consciousness, my kitchen is a little bit strange to some people, but I truly, madly, deeply believe that the day when my kitchen, a kitchen without a cooker, will be just of many such kitchens, is just around the corner in near future. I would like to share with you how much I enjoy a kitchen that does not pose a threat of fires, that does not pose a threat of skin burns. There is no electricity waste on using a cooker. A kitchen without any metal pots, which just cause heavy metal poisoning. A kitchen without any heavy smells from cooking. By the way, do you know that inhaling smoke from cooking, frying, and not to mention grilling and barbecuing is carcinogenic? A kitchen which is crumb-free, no crumbs on my floor because I do not use any bakery products. A kitchen that is grease-free, no greasy dishes that are hard to wash because I do not use any oils because they are very damaging for blood vessels. And on the other hand, I would like to share with you what a pleasure it is to be in the kitchen that is environmentally friendly and safe for the people in the kitchen. It is energy efficient. It has only ceramic, wooden, and glassware as well as cutlery. It always smells of fresh fruits and vegetables, and it is a special treat when the smell of a dried fruit comes from my so-called oven, which is actually a dehydrator. It is clean and cleanliness is easy to maintain. The dishes are so easy to wash that even just a splash of water easily removes the remains and possible stains from fruits and vegetables. Most of the garbage is actually compost. Even though my diet consists of fresh fruits and vegetables with small amounts of nuts and seeds, in other words, I choose to eat those foods that are already prepared for us by Mother Nature, so there is no additional preparation needed. However, I love culinary arts and I enjoy preparing food so much. Thus, my kitchen is excellently equipped with equipment that help me in preparing those raw vegan dishes. Moreover, this is such an excellent follow-up of my previous video in which I am showing you how I am preparing 5 simple yet delicious raw vegan recipes on my quote-unquote cooker, which is actually a food processor and which can also be ordered through my website healthglows.net. And these ear defenders I consider to be one of my best investments ever, because I do understand that we get our ears only once in a lifetime, and all the damage from various noises in this modern world that most of us are imposing on our poor ears is accumulated. This is why whenever I am using any loud house appliance, first I make sure that my ears are protected. Just because my kitchen doesn't have a cooker, it does not mean that I'm consuming cold food. Even more so, I'm very careful to consume room temperature food. And I can even warm it up a little bit in my blender or dehydrator. And I can even enjoy some herbal teas by using this little guy. And these two shelves in my kitchen are very successful in attracting attention because they're always filled with bright colors of fresh fruits and vegetables and fresh smells of natural, real food. And the central place on them is reserved for water. From my understanding, everything is energy, and every manifestation is preceded by a thought. This is why I dedicated this little corner of my kitchen to the power of thoughts and words, accompanied with this powerful medium which has ability, power to help our bodies do the self-cleansing and many other bodily functions. And that powerful medium is water. Here I have 6 bottles for water, and each bottle has a necklace which I created. And then under each bottle there is a coaster with a certain message, and those coasters are my design. I am the water of health. I am the water of love. I am the water of wealth. I am the water of beauty. I am the water of youthfulness. I am the water of joy. The idea behind this concept is when you have a bottle and you are filling it up with water, you put that bottle on a certain coaster with a certain message, and then you take the necklace for the bottle, and then when you are placing the necklace on the bottle, you're actually reading the message from the coaster from beneath that bottle. And then you're gifting that water the gift of the message, but the message, the words of that message are also applying to the one who is reading them, because what we think we become. And these 6 coasters with the special water messages can be ordered through my website hellglows.net. And while this water here is always surrounded with fresh fruits, herbs and flowers, my fridge is reserved for vegetables. So let's peek into my fridge right now. As you can see, my fridge is filled with fresh veggies. If you would like me to make a video what's in my fridge, please let me know so through the comments below. And this cupboard over here is reserved for glass jars with airtight lids for spices, nuts and seeds. I sincerely hope that you enjoyed this little tour of my kitchen, and if that's so, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure that you click on that bell icon beside the subscription button, because I have so many more videos that are coming up for you and I would love you to enjoy them. Please let me know what you think about my kitchen and this video in the comments below. If you would like to peek into my daily life, just follow me on Instagram under Health Glows, because I am posting daily for you. Until the next video, I'm sending you warm regards and keep glowing. Bye bye!